In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Google Tag Manager in Wix, step by step. If you're running a Wix website and you want better tracking for analytics, conversions, ads, or marketing tools, Google Tag Manager is essential. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple, and you don't need any coding experience to get it done. I'll walk you through the entire setup so you can connect Google Tag Manager to your Wix site the right way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software and marketing tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. From here, make sure you've selected the correct website if you manage multiple sites. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where Wix keeps all of your site configuration options, including integrations and tracking tools. After clicking on Settings, scroll down until you find Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click on Marketing Integrations. This section allows you to connect third-party tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and of course, Google Tag Manager. When the Marketing Integrations page loads, you'll see a list of available services you can connect to your Wix site. Look for Google Tag Manager in the list. Once you find it, click on the Connect button next to Google Tag Manager. Wix will now prompt you to enter your Google Tag Manager container ID. This is the ID that starts with GTM, followed by letters and numbers. To get this container ID, open a new browser tab and go to tagmanager.google.com. Log in with your Google account, select your account and container, and then copy the container ID from the top of the dashboard. Go back to Wix and paste that container ID into the required field. Once the ID is entered, confirm the connection. Wix would now automatically add the Google Tag Manager container to your site. This means you don't need to manually paste any code into your website header or body. Wix handles it for you in the background. After connecting Google Tag Manager, it's a good idea to publish your site to make sure the changes go live. Click the Publish button in your Wix editor or dashboard if your site isn't already published. To verify everything is working correctly, head back to Google Tag Manager and use the preview mode. Enter your Wix website URL and check that the container is loading properly. You should see your site connect successfully in the Tag Manager preview panel. And that's it. You've now successfully installed Google Tag Manager in Wix. From here, you can start adding tags for Google Analytics, Google Ads conversions, Facebook tracking, and much more, all without editing your site code again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix, analytics, and marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.